Hey everyone, it's Mona here at Craft Klatch, and today we're going to do a fun paint pour. These are two pieces we're starting with. This is from the Dollar Tree, and it goes under your plants to catch like extra water and stuff like that. I took the tag off, cleaned it with some rubbing alcohol, and this is from the Restore store at the Habitat Humanity thrift store. And they had a bunch of them. They were new. I wish I bought all of them. I only bought one. 99 cents. You can't beat that deal. So these are going to go together and we're going to make a mushroom. Mushrooms need dots. This is just vinyl, permanent vinyl. It's Cricut. You can use your Cricut to do this, but it's kind of faster than just to use the punch. And I had it, so that's what I'm doing. Cutting a bunch of these. If you don't have a punch, by all means, just cut circles with your Cricut or freehand them. I'm using gloves because I don't want to get fingerprints in here. There we go. First one is going to go right smack dab in the middle, just like that. Burnish it down, try to get the bubbles out. I'm taking Rust-Oleum's triple thick glaze because it actually adheres to plastic. The triple thick glaze dries very quickly, so there's not a whole lot of waiting that you have to do. It's not even tacky anymore, and it's been about like 10 minutes. So I'm going to use the Spin, Drip, and Pour Flash colors, and this one is Candy Apple. I've got a Lemon Flash and then a little Fuchsia. So I'm not sure if I'm going to use all of them, but this is what I'm thinking because I want it to be kind of interesting. Now all I'm going to do is sort of move it around and mix it. This is not what it looks like on the other side. Different kind of colors together, and under here it's a little bit more swirly red. I like it both ways, this way or that way. Now I'm gonna just set this aside, let it dry, and we'll just see how it turns out. The paint on our mushroom cap is dry. There's the top, and here's the bottom. So I had some extra resin left over from a different project, so I am going to just put it right in here so I can seal this. I'm just going to use my gloved hands to do this. You can just let it run freely or help it along with your hand, just so you know that it gets everywhere. You do want to be a little bit gentle with it just in case, but I'm just spreading it around to seal that paint. That way it won't get scratched or anything like that. So we're going to just let this cure for 12 hours before we touch it. Are you ready for the reveal? We have our candle holder, we have our tap light, and then we have the paint pour that we did in the plant saucer. And I have the white dots on there, which I'm not sure how I feel about them. So let me know if you like them or not. But here's the mushroom, just like that. You can take it on and off and turn the light on and off. But here it is, really easy, but it makes a really cute mushroom, right? But I have this vase that I was going to do a resin pour on. Now I'm not sure I'm going to do it. And I put the light in there, and I put the saucer on there. And check out that mushroom. Do you like this one better, or do you like it with the wire candle holder? Let me know. And here they are, both lit up. Let me know which one you like better. I want to know two things. Do you like the dots on there? Would you prefer no dots on there? And do you like the glass base better or the wire one? Those are the two things I need to know down in the comments. So thanks for watching, and if you want to see another great project, check out this one over here. And remember, life's too short not to shimmer, so grab your glue gun and your glitter, and I'll catch you over there.